Hi, my name is Lauren O'Connell and my videos help you to stylize your perfect skincare wardrobe. Today, we are talking about alcohols in skincare. I know it can be so confusing about what's a bad alcohol, what's a good alcohol, what's an okay alcohol. So I have made this as simple as possible. Congratulations, you found the one video you will ever need. And that's because I've made some incredibly handy infographics for you to screenshot and just keep on your phone. That way the guesswork will be gone. So let's start off with the bad alcohols. Bad alcohols are bad because they are pro-drying and pro-aging. Basically, all the money that you spend on your skincare and trying to keep your skin as beautiful and youthful as possible will go out the door, out the window when you're using products that contain bad alcohols. These alcohols are going to destroy the outermost layer of your skin, and in doing so, they're going to cause your skin to be red, irritated, to encourage wrinkles, fine lines, acne, blemishes, you name it, it's just bad. If you have oily skin, you might at first think to yourself, oh, well, I love using these products that contain these ingredients because all the oil has just gone away. And while they have short-term benefits like degreasing your skin, the long-term ramifications are just not worth it. And in the long run, your skin will actually produce more oil and more congestion because your body is going to go into overdrive to compensate for what was stripped away by that harsh ingredient or ingredients that you've been using. So stay away from the bad alcohols. And if you are thinking to yourself, okay, well, I don't have oily skin, I buy products for dry skin, combination skin, why are these ingredients in my products? The reason for that is because they're often used as solvents. That means they're going to dissolve the other ingredients in the formula to make it very uniform and consistent. They're also used as skin penetration enhancers, and that's because alcohol will seep deep into the skin and it's going to bring all the other ingredients into the skin. A lot of the cosmetic products that have an airbrush finish contain alcohol because everything's sinking in. And a lot of the skincare products that contain these bad alcohols will say, oh, well, we're bringing the good ingredients deeper into your skin. But while they're doing that, they're also ruining all of your skin cells in the process. So it's not really a good thing. They also can be used as preservatives. Now let's chit chat about the good alcohols. Good alcohols are emollients and they are going to make your skin very soft and supple. I've been using good alcohols on my skin for years. And right now I'm just in front of my window. I do not have a ring light on. This is just shot on my iPhone, no edits, no filters. And you can see that my skin does look, I am going to be 38. I know some of you guys are laughing at me because I keep mentioning that, but I think my skin looks pretty soft and supple as possible for someone who is almost 40. So good alcohols are great. You can use them. You can stack them into your skincare routine. They're just going to make your skin look more youthful. Now, the okay alcohols are often used as preservatives. They're okay because they're not bad. They're not going to destroy your skin. They're not good. They're not going to actually make your skin better. They're just kind of there. And for some people, they may be slightly irritating. So that's a little trial and error on your part. For me personally, they're not at all. So when I see them, I don't worry about them. I just kind of ignore them, to be honest. If you're wondering what my evening skincare routine is, check it out right here. This is all the products I use, the order I use them in every single night.